In our rapidly evolving world, success is defined by turning challenges into opportunities. With enough foresight and ingenuity, the complex problems of today can become the achievements of tomorrow. I'm Fred Thompson. From business and technology to healthcare and the environment, join me as we take a closer look inside the workings of the modern global economy. I'm Fred Thompson, and I'm inside business.
If you've ever explored the taste of the Mediterranean with Cedars Mediterranean Foods, you'd know about the award-winning flavor. It's part of what sets the company's food products apart in the public eye. But beyond providing the authentic Mediterranean taste that consumers have come to request, the company is hard at work implementing yet another key product differentiator.
We recognize that no matter how great tasting or nutritious our product may be, if they are not safe, we are not in business.
Food safety is a concern shared by food producers, government agencies, and consumers alike. Retailers and wholesalers source food products from all over the globe, making the demand for an internationally coordinated and consistent approach to the assessment of food suppliers greater than ever.
We have all learned about the major food scandals in recent months and years. That included melamine-laced baby formula in China, contaminated pork in Europe, and in the US we faced salmonella-infected tomato and the major peanut butter problems. All those incidents, unfortunately, led to deaths and to illness, and therefore really emphasized the need for more rigid measures in food safety in the United States and abroad.
A recent report sponsored by the Produce Safety Project at Georgetown University has found that the health-related costs of foodborne illnesses total $152 billion a year, including the costs of medical bills, lost wages, and lost productivity.
Product recalls due to food safety issues can have a huge cost impact on an organization, and this is in part due to the breadth of the food supply chain itself. You've got the hard costs associated with the recall activity, but longer-term effects associated with customer loss at manufacturing or retail levels, degradation of consumer confidence, potential regulatory and civil penalties and liabilities stemming from lawsuits and fines, and increased oversight from government regulatory agencies.
To ensure the safety of their product and effectively manage their supply chain, companies like Cedars are relying more and more on food safety management systems.
Driven by the concerns of their end consumers, retailers and wholesalers have decided to implement a new system and organized program for certifying and auditing their suppliers. Those quality management systems are intended to cover the whole supply chain. And many of those retailers have chosen SQF as their primary quality management system standard.
TÜV SÜD America is one of the first few registrars in North America accredited to the Safe Quality Food Program.
Due to the many recent high-profile incidents, the consumer has never been more aware of the importance of food safety. And this awareness is not only coming through traditional media sources such as news organizations, but more and more social media itself is being used to quickly spread the news associated with food safety problems. Retailers and manufacturers, they don't want to lose market share due to erosion of customer confidence. So they too are pushing more and more food safety certifications. That's where a company like TÜV SÜD America can come in, offering growers, producers, retailers, and consumers alike the confidence that the food to be sold and eaten to their families is going to be safe.
There are a number of food safety certifications and standards today.
We worked with 2 independent consultants to assure we had the best practices in place to implement SQF 2000 management systems. Then we chose TÜV SÜD America as our third-party certification body to assess the effectiveness of our food safety systems.
Cedars, which is already kosher and USDA organic certified, gained SQF 2000 certification earlier this year.
Becoming SQF certified has allowed us to market our products to a larger customer base, as many retailers are now requiring certification in order to do business. It also gives us a great competitive advantage, as most of our competition can't meet the stringent requirements for food safety and traceability.
For consumers, continuous safety and compliance make Cedars Mediterranean foods all the more delicious.
Thanks for joining us on this edition of Inside Business. Until next time, I'm Fred Thompson.